Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect thick bakery style cookies. These are the kind of cookies that you find at your favorite bakery. They're thick, chewy, and loaded with flavor. If you've been looking for the ultimate cookie recipe, stick around because I'm going to show you step by step, including all of my tips to get the perfect cookies. Let's get baking. Before we get started, here's the list of all the ingredients that you're going to need. Unsalted butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, of course you need eggs, and all your dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda. The secret to get the perfect texture for the thick bakery-style cookies is to use cornstarch. And of course, cookies wouldn't be cookies without chocolate chips. Now that we have all the ingredients, we can make the dough. You'll want to start by creaming the butter and the sugar together. I like to use a stand mixer because it makes things a lot quicker and a lot easier. But you could also use a handheld mixer. Let's start by creaming the butter and the sugars together. You'll want to mix these until they're well combined, but not light and fluffy. This step is crucial because it helps to achieve the texture that we're looking for. Now let's add the chocolate chips. Here I'm using mini chocolate chips. I find them more fun and they're a great contrast as the cookies are so big. To achieve thick bakery style cookies, you'll want to use chocolate chips and not chocolate chunks. The chocolate chips are what help the cookies keep their shape while they bake. The next step after adding the chocolate chips is to add your dry ingredients. So it's your flour, baking powder, baking soda, cornstarch, and salt. The last step is to add the egg and the egg yolks. You'll want to mix until the eggs have fully incorporated into the dough, but make sure that you don't overmix, otherwise your cookies will end up cakey. Once your dough is ready and mixed, it's time to weigh out your cookie dough balls. This is probably the most time-consuming part of this whole cookie making process. Although it is very time-consuming, weighing each and every cookie dough ball is how you'll achieve success every single time you make this recipe. This is because different cookie dough ball size will bake at different timings. So if one time your cookies came out perfect, but then the second time they didn't, it's probably because you didn't weigh out the dough. For these specific cookies, I weighed out 130 grams of cookie dough. It may sound like a lot, but they're so delicious, it's worth it. When balling the cookie dough balls, aka rolling cookie dough into balls, you'll want to keep them as high as you can because the cookie dough is already going to flatten while it bakes. With the quantities listed below, this recipe should be able to make 9 to 10 130 gram cookies. One of the secrets to thick bakery style cookies is to chill the dough. This helps the cookies keep their shape and prevents them from spreading too much in the oven. Chilling the cookies is also known to deepen the flavors of the dough. You'll want to chill the dough for at least 3 hours in the freezer, but ideally overnight. That also means that you have ready-to-eat cookie dough in the freezer. So the next time you're craving a very thick, delicious bakery-style cookie, all you have to do is take it out of the freezer, pop it in the oven, and you have fresh cookies on demand. Amazing. Bake your cookies in a preheated 175 degrees Celsius oven. These will bake for about 14 to 15 minutes depending on the size of your cookies and your oven. What you're looking for as these cookies bake is that the edges have to be golden brown, but the middle should still be slightly soft. I like to underbake these cookies for that perfect chewy center. Cookies keep baking as they cool down, so if you take them out of the oven and they're perfectly baked, they're going to be overbaked. But if you take them out while they're underbaked, you're going to have perfectly baked cookies. All right, the cookies are done. Look at these beautiful, thick, bakery-style cookies. Let's break one open and look at that chewy center. These are exactly what you want in a cookie. They're thick, chewy, delicious, and full of flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. Also, let me know down below what you'd like to see from me next, whether it's another cookie recipe or a totally different dessert. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.